Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on PC. First, you'll want to visit the official Genshin Impact website to download the game client. Before installing, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to get the game set up. This initial step is crucial for embarking on your adventure in Teyvat, so take your time to complete it correctly. Navigating Teyvat is straightforward with the keyboard and mouse. Use the W, A, S, D keys to move your character around the world, exploring every corner. For basic interactions and normal attacks, simply left-click with your mouse. If you're using a bow character or need to activate an elemental skill, a quick right-click will do the trick. Mastering these fundamental controls is key to your journey. Combat in Genshin Impact is dynamic and relies heavily on elemental reactions. You can switch between your 4 active characters using the number keys, from 1 through 4, allowing for quick tactical changes. Combine different elemental skills, like Hydro and Electro, to trigger powerful reactions such as Electro Charged, dealing significant damage. Don't forget to unleash your elemental bursts for devastating area of effect attacks when the moment is right. Beyond combat, exploration is a huge part of the Genshin Impact experience. Wander through the vast open world to uncover hidden chests, challenging puzzles, and new areas. Complete daily commissions and various quests to earn valuable rewards, including experience points and more. Continuously level up your characters, weapons, and artifacts to increase your party's overall strength and prepare for tougher challenges ahead.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.